6 women stepped on the same stage every year, looking like they don't age, don't break out, and don't sleep less than 9 hours a night. That's a lie, by the way. They travel more than flight attendants, they sleep 4 hours before a show sometimes, and their skin still looks like glass under 100 camera flashes. So either they were all born with perfect genetics, which is not true, or there's something in their bathroom cabinet doing some very heavy lifting. I spent way too many hours digging through old interviews, backstage videos, and beauty features to find out exactly which serums these models actually use, not what a brand paid them to say once for a campaign. And a few of these answers surprised me, because the products are not what you'd expect from a supermodel budget. If you care about your skin at all, you already know the serum aisle is a mess. Hundreds of bottles, half of them claiming to fix everything from acne to wrinkles to dullness, and no way to know which ones are worth your money. So instead of guessing, I went straight to the women whose job depends on their skin looking flawless under the harshest lighting in the world. Backstage interviews, beauty features, even old blog posts from over a decade ago. Every single serum in this video is something a model actually said with her own mouth, not something a brand slapped her face on for an ad campaign. Let's start with the person who might have the most consistent skin in the entire industry, Joan Smalls. She's been walking for Victoria's Secret for over a decade, and when asked about her routine backstage, she didn't hesitate. She uses Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, and here's the part people get wrong. She doesn't just use it at night like the name suggests. She puts it on throughout the day too. This is a serum that's been around since the 80s. It's not some new viral product, and that's actually a good sign, because a formula doesn't survive that long in a saturated market unless it actually works. She also mentioned drinking lemon water constantly, which she says helps her skin, her metabolism, and her digestion all at once. So her whole approach is really both what she puts on her face and what she puts in her body. Now here's where it gets more interesting, because Adriana Lima's routine changed a lot depending on what phase of her life she was in, and tracking that change tells you something important about serums in general. Back in 2016, she was using a serum made by her own dermatologist in Paris, something custom, not available to the public. Fast forward to when she was pregnant, she said she switched to something more natural, a vitamin C serum from a brand called Soma Ayurvedic, along with an anti-aging cream and an eye gel from the same line, because she wanted to be more careful about what she put on her skin during that time. But the most recent thing she's revealed in a 2024 interview is that she now uses a serum with growth factors in it, from a line called Medicine, developed with a dermatologist. Growth factor serums are a step above your average vitamin C or hyaluronic acid product. They work by signaling your skin cells to repair themselves and produce more collagen, and that's a very different mechanism than just hydrating the surface. It shows that even a supermodel's routine isn't fixed forever. It shifts with her body, her age, and what her skin actually needs at that moment. This is where you start to notice a pattern. It's not always about the fanciest, most expensive bottle on the shelf. Barbara Palvin, during a recent show prep, revealed she uses a serum with copper peptides in it, specifically to calm redness and strengthen her skin barrier, because runway stress and constant makeup application can wreck your barrier fast. Copper peptides are one of those ingredients that dermatologists talk about a lot, but regular people barely know exist. And it's not a coincidence that a model who's on camera every single day is using something targeted at barrier repair instead of just chasing a temporary glow. Let's talk about Alessandra Ambrosio, because her answer might be the most repeated one across every interview she's ever given. For years, whenever she's asked what she can't live without, she says the same thing. The Clarins Double Serum. She's said it in interview after interview at 43 years old, still saying it's a must in her routine. What makes this one different is the delivery system. It's actually 2 separate formulas that combine when you pump it, which helps the ingredients absorb better instead of just sitting on top of your skin doing nothing. She also uses a retinol serum at night specifically to soften fine lines, which tells you her nighttime routine is doing more active work than her daytime one. And that's actually a smart way to split your routine if you think about it, because your skin repairs itself while you sleep anyway. Sarah Sampaio's answer takes us somewhere different entirely, because she talked about a serum for her body, not just her face. In an on-camera nighttime routine video, she showed herself using a body serum, saying, "You only need 2 pumps for your entire body, and your skin just soaks it in." She said her legs get really dry, and this fixed that completely, and she made a point of saying hydrating your whole body matters just as much as hydrating your face. But years earlier, in a separate interview, she named a Chanel serum for her face, saying she can't live without it because her skin gets dry easily. So her whole approach seems to be built around one single problem, dryness, and she found 2 separate products to solve it in 2 different places on her body. And then there's Taylor Hill, who is actually a global ambassador for Lancôme. So it makes sense that she's been naming the same serum from that brand for years. She called it her all-time favorite skincare product, saying it keeps her skin clear, hydrated, and youthful. And she pairs it with something most people have completely forgotten about: plain vitamin E oil, dabbed directly onto acne scars. She said if you can put something in your body, you can put it on your skin, which is a strange but oddly logical way to think about ingredients. And honestly, it's one of the cheapest tricks in this entire video. So here's what all 6 of these women actually have in common, and this is the part that matters more than any single brand name. None of them are using 10 different serums at once. Every single one of them picked 1 or 2, stuck with them for years, and built the rest of their routine around solving one specific problem: dryness, redness, dullness, fine lines. They're not chasing trends every month like a lot of us do when we see a new product going viral online. They found what worked for their specific skin issue, and they committed to it, sometimes for over a decade, without switching just because something new showed up in their feed. If you're sitting here wondering which one to try first, don't go buy all 6 at once. Look at what your actual skin problem is. If your skin gets tight and flaky, look at what Sarah Sampaio does. If you're dealing with redness or your skin feels irritated all the time, that copper peptide approach from Barbara Palvin is worth researching. If you just want one reliable serum you can use for years without overthinking it, Alessandra Ambrosio's answer has stayed the same for almost a decade for a reason. The lesson here isn't to copy a supermodel's shopping list item for item. It's to copy their mindset, pick a target, and stay consistent instead of switching products every time a new one shows up on your feed. If this kind of breakdown is useful to you, there's another video on this channel breaking down exactly what these same models eat before a show, and it might surprise you even more than this one did.